Watch as an intruder breaks into a construction site in Hollywood, California, just before 1 in the morning. What they didn't know was that the site was protected by a solar-powered construction site camera rental from ValleyGuard. As soon as the motion was detected, our remote guard locked in on the activity and responded in real time. Live audio warning you're about to hear was delivered seconds later, directly from our monitoring center.
Hey, Vice City Intruder, what are you doing in here? You, with the red jacket, hoodie, black pants. PD's already been dispatched. Let's go, Intruder. Move it. Now. Hurry up. Long dark hair, Intruder. Red hoodie, black pants. Get off the site. Now. Trying to climb the gate. PD's going to see that. Hurry up. Get out of there now. Hurry up. Your actions are going to get you arrested, Intruder.
This kind of rapid intervention stops crime before it happens. After the talkdown, the intruder immediately fled the property. You're looking for a faster, smarter way to secure your construction site without hiring guards. ValleyGuard is ready.